Hello everyone, welcome to KD Jagger YouTube channel and TikTok channel. Today I am going to show you how you can generate a logo using Jedi AI. Okay, actually first you have to go to Jedi AI, then you have to click on this login button here. Then you will be able to go to the Jedi AI dashboard. Okay, if you could log in, then you will be able to go to the Jedi AI dashboard. And now you have to click on this new workspace button here. Then just click on this tools icon. Okay, then you will be able to get some circles and ovals or triangles as needed. Okay, I'm going to use here circle. Okay, now I'm going to draw this like this, and if you need to type something inside the circle, then you have to type anything by positioning the cursor. Okay, I'm going to position this and then start typing KDJ. Okay, cool. Now just click on this select option, and you can select this and then you can resize it as needed. Okay, then double click on this, Control Z, click on somewhere else, Control V, then you can get this. Okay, and type as AI. Okay, AI. Now you can drag it as you need. Okay, cool. Now just think, this is a simple logo. Actually this is not a logo, but this is a simple one. Now I'm going to select whole thing like this. Okay, then I'm going to click on this AI option here. Then I'm going to say uh, logo idea by using the same concept. Okay, this is just a prompt. Okay, you can type anything here, but I'm going to I'm going to use logo idea by using the same concept. Okay, and here I don't need to analyze this, I need to generate an art. That's all, I need to generate an art. Actually I'm going to click on this generate button. Then you can see the actually Jedi has Alchemy version 2. Okay, beta version 2. So I think it will be better in the future. Now it's almost okay. Okay, however now you can generate logos, logo ideas. Actually I don't mean that logos, but you can generate some logo ideas. So you can get a logo idea, then you can draw it if you need, or you can use it if it's better for you. Let's see what's the output here. And also you can actually describe any type of image, any type of logo by using Jedi AI using the alchemy option. This is the KDJ, and you can see double circles there. By the way, this is kind of a logo, but if you don't like, actually you can select it again, and then you can click on this AI alchemy here, and you can click on generate. Before that you have to select art, and then you can click on generate option here. That's all. Okay, let's wait until then actually I'm going to show you how you can describe an image using Jedi AI. Okay, for that actually you can just think this is the image that you need to describe. Okay, you need to get described, and by selecting on this, and then you can go to AI option here, AI alchemy. Okay, this is called AI alchemy, and you can select analysis or something like that. Okay, let's wait. Oh, by the way, this is a great one. Okay, so you can try the prompt again and again. So this option, I think it's included in the Shifu plan. It's better to get a Shifu plan. Okay, Shifu plan cost about, I don't know, just go to the pricing. Okay, I already got the Shifu plan, but you can go to the plans here, and then you can see what are the pricing. Okay, actually here zero, you can use it for free, by the way. Okay, actually also you will get a trial period if you're new user, and also you got a black belt here, and also Shifu plan here. So Shifu plan got so many things, especially data GP and document GPT. Definitely I will give you a brief tutorial in the future. And also advanced AI alchemy, it means multimodal AI. Let AI see, analyze and generate. So AI can see, maybe imagine, okay, analyze things and generate things. So there are a lot of things that actually this advanced alchemy can do. Okay, by the way, now I'm going to select this option. Okay, select this image here, then I'm going to click on this AI option here. Now I'm going to type describe this. Okay, describe this. Okay, now you can click on analysis if you need, but it's better to use this text option here, because I need a text. Okay, now I'm going to click on this generate option, then it will generate a text. Okay, it will generate what this logo looks like. Okay, if you need to get an idea about actually what kind of thing you need. I mean, actually maybe you got some issues in your logo. You just see some issues, okay, but you can't identify what are them. So you can ask what you can ask Jedi AI to describe that. By the way, the image shows a logo design that incorporate letters and electronic circuit like elements. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, definitely true. And also conveying a sense of technology and modernity. The design features the letters. Actually, it's called KPJ. Yeah, it's like KPJ, but better to do a change here. KDJ, interconnected by lines resembling electronic circuits, all enclosed within a circle with two concentric rings. The color palette is monochromatic, yeah, it's true, and the background is plain and solid. This logo could represent a brand or company related to electronics, technology, or engineering. Yeah, that's great. That's great. By the way, now just think you need a different concept. Okay, just click on this, and then you can click on this AI alchemy option, and I'm going to say different logo idea, and then click on this art option here, and then click generate option here. Now we can see something is going on with Jedi AI, and we can see, I think we will be able to see a different result than that, because we just generated something from using this simple logo, right? If you can draw something by using maybe there are so many tools here, okay, so you can get this pen tool, and if you need like this, so it's so cool, right? Okay, you can draw some things like this, but after that you can ask Jedi AI to make design a logo or something like that, okay. But however, now what I did was I just selected this, then I asked for a different type of logo. So this is better than before, right? So it includes KPJ, but this is better than before. So if you're a designer, you can get so many ideas by using Jedi. So that's what I'm going to say. Actually, I already said that's what I already said. By the way, you just get the idea, and if you can draw something by using Illustrator or using Photoshop or whatever the software you use, just use that, okay, then draw that, and you can hand over the logo to the customer if you need, okay. It's on you to decide what to do. Guys, this is my tutorial, and this is about maybe generating logos and describing images, okay. Actually, there are so many use cases that you can do, and for now I'm going to conclude this video. By the way, have a nice day, and please subscribe to me, and also you can like this video and comment this video, and please share with your friends to maybe motivate me, okay. And sorry for the English thing because this is my second video I did for actually in English. uh, I just don't say that my English is so bad, but yeah, there are some issues with the language, but I'm really trying to be better, and so support me with a comment. I really like that. Bye, have a nice day. Let's come up with what data GPT and document GPT next.